thunderstorm warning for southern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Silver Lake or over Kemp Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Paddock Lake around 1:50 p.m. Pleasant to Prairie around 2:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Salem, Bassett, Bristol, and New Munster. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.